Welcome back to John Kleis Car on his YouTube channel. Behind me is a Porsche 911 997 Gen 1 with the optional aero kit on it. Now this vehicle is coming to us because it wants a front and rear dash cam fitted. To obviously record in front, someone excited in the workshop, and record from behind. Now we've gone for the very top of the range Thinkware U3000 product. That is the body of the camera fitted there. It's nice and high at the top, which means a lot of the body is actually invisible to the driver because it's in behind the rear view mirror. I'll show you that inside the vehicle shortly. Now the customer obviously wanted to record from behind him just in case someone, hit their rear quarter, come up behind him, said he braked suddenly, said he reversed, whatever excuses all these idiots want to make up when they're trying to get out of a claim. We've had a rear camera fitted. So the rear camera is mounted at the very top of the window there. I'll zoom in a bit so you can see it. Just there below my finger. I'll show you what that looks like inside the vehicle as well. And that's going to give him a great view from behind and all. Now let's get in the vehicle and actually show you what it looks like. Now here's the camera mounted behind the rear view mirror. And this is the driver's view. As you can see, I'm looking out the rear window. I can't really even see the body of the camera. It's called the Thinkware U3000. It is the best one at the moment. 4K resolution on the front camera, 2K resolution on the rear camera. All the cables are all hidden. So literally you can't see any cables from front to back. And then the lead comes neatly out of the roof line and just there, and the camera mounts at the rear window. I can actually connect my phone up to this and show you the view you get so you know. So what I'm going to do is go to my phone and I'm just going to open up the app and connect to dash cam. Now I've already connected this previously, so I'm not going to go through the initial connection because that can take a minute and we don't want to be watching that on video. We can do another video for that if you want me to show you how to connect your phone to your Thinkware camera, but this is just going to connect straight to it.
Connected to a smartphone.
And we're connected. So now I can clear the events. It's going to tell me about possible motions and impacts where the car was parked because it's got radar technology built in, but I'm not interested in that. I want to see the live view and show you what it looks through. So now it's going to switch over from Bluetooth to Wi-Fi, join. There we go. So now if I just go landscape view, that is the view outside the front. Extremely good picture quality, good resolution, good wide angle view because it's 150 degrees. Now if I go to the top and then touch the spinny symbol to change the rear camera, so that's the look out the rear. Even though you can see it's quite at the top of the spoilers there, you can actually see the number plate of the car behind, and it gives you a great view, shows you what's going on behind the vehicle. So that's the view you get. On the app, you can obviously download footage and all that straight to your phone. I'm not going to go through that because that takes a while, but you can literally go through playback, and what it's going to do is going to find all the files on here. So I can literally just scroll through all the files and download and view, etc. And it's every minute interval, so it's easy to find the footage. Anyway, when you're finished, hit disconnect, and then she'll tell you it's disconnected. We've also fitted a Kenwood head unit in this, but that's another video. See how nice that looks. Great job. But here's the Thinkware U3000 fitted in a Porsche 911, 997, but we can do it in all the Porsche platforms. So if you like what you see, you know what to do. My name is Connor from John Kleis. This is the Porsche 911. That's a dash cam. This is how we install. See you later.